want to solve something, and let us assume that this is line 1 and this is line 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't try to solve it.
So we won't be able to do it.
Line 1 is this and line 2 is this, and this is the solution, right? You people know this or not?
No, sir.
You don't know?
No, sir.
If you draw a line and wherever you get this, you will get the solution. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you were telling something. Go ahead. Just with that.
Sir, I don't think we'll get the solution.
Why?
So there are three variables,
Okay, so
but there's only two axes, like x-axis and y-axis.
so if I draw 3 x's like this, okay, now I draw line number 1 and line number 2. This is L2 and this is L1. Will I get a solution?
Yes, sir.
Riddhi, what do you think?
Sir, I think so, sir. Yes,
Do you people have 2 sticks or pen or pencil?
yes, sir. Pen.
Yes? Look at my board. If this is a plane, 2-dimensional plane, I can have this like this, and they will never cross each other, right?
Yes, sir.
And then they don't meet you, we don't get a solution, right?
Yes, sir.
But if I do slightly tilted, am I getting a solution?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How? They are not meeting.
Sir, but
If you extend it, the lines will meet.
The bad explanation. Line, what is definition? What is definition of a line? A point, a line segment, a ray, and a line. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
What is a line?
sir, I know, sir, but I don't know the correct words.
A line segment fixed on both sides, on both ends. It does not extend, right?
Yes, sir.
A ray fixed on one and extends infinitely to the other. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is a ray. Yes or no?
Yes,
So we can also say like a line with one endpoint and another pointing to infinity.
Line extends both sides. Sides to infinity. That means line is like this and like this, both sides. So when I said you, these are 2 lines and you told we will extend, why will you extend? They are only extended to infinite, right?
yes, sir.
You have to just show them. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to say I will extend the line, you say if we extend the line segment. Do you understand?
Yes,
Are we clear?
yes, sir.
Do you have a cousin brother?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
You both are stupid. If you have cousin, you don't have brother. If you have brother, you don't have cousin. A cousin is not a brother. And if he is a brother, he is not your cousin. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In Britain, what happens? People have their brother or sister, step brother, step sister, half brother, half sister. Do you understand? Uncle, son, they don't call brother or sister. They are cousin. Do you understand? Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In India, the problem is that our uncle's son is our brother, right? So what we call, he is my brother, right? What British call, he is my cousin. Indians developed a new English. What was that?
Cousin brother.
Now a cousin is not a brother. A brother is not a cousin. So what do you mean to say, cousin or brother?
Cousin.
Similarly, a line extends both sides to infinity, right? What are you saying?
Yes, sir.
What are you saying?
Nothing, sir.
Extending the line, right? And it is written in books also. So you're not to be blamed. Your teacher will tell you exactly same. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the Indian invention of cousin brother? And same way,
No,
it
sir.
is India. You both told you have a cousin brother. I'm confused. He is your brother, okay, or he is your cousin?
Cousin.
Do you understand? Similarly, you have been taught extending the line. You don't extend the line. Line is already extending to infinity. Do you understand? When you say, you will say extending the line segment. Do you understand? And that is why, to avoid any mistake, do like this. Always do like this. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What does it say? It is extending both sides. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now come back to, if I do like this, what happens? It meets. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In two-dimensional plane, how many variables I can have?
2 variables.
2 variables.
Very good. The problem is that in three-dimensional plane, you see this. Are they parallel?
No, sir.
Are they meeting?
No, sir.
Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
In two-dimensional plane, you have 2 lines and you cannot say anything. It is possible with 2 lines you will get a solution, right?
Yes, sir.
But not possible that you will get a solution. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So the rule is very simple. 1 variable, 1 constraint. Constraint which you will read is equation, basically that is a constraint. Constraint, not constant. Constant means restriction. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 variable, 1 equation, right?
Yes, sir.
2 bars, 2 equations, right?
Yes, sir.
3 bars.
3 equations.
What about 3 bars and 10 equations? What will happen?
So we'll get the solution.
So we'll get 10 different lines.
You know, too many cooks spoil the food. Have you heard of that or not? Have you heard about too many cooks spoil the food?
No, sir.
You have not heard of this proverb?
No, sir.
Never?
No, sir.
When there are too many experts, the thing is going to get lost. Have you played football or some collaborative sports?
Yes, sir.
One person thinks he should suit himself, another thinks he should pass to other, and something like what happens?
Confusion.
And after that, loss.
We lose.
Good. So what happens, you have, then this is called inconsistency. And this is where AI/ML works. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. To get the best guess. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not you, not me. Not perfect solution. What?
Inconsistency.
Inconsistent. Let us try. X plus Y plus Z equal to 9. X plus Y minus Z equal to 1. Okay. X minus Y plus Z equal to 3. Okay. And X minus Y minus Z equal to minus 5. Can we get the solution? Can we get the solution?
So,
No, sir. No, sir.
Try. To get the solution, we need to cancel them, right?
Yes, sir.
Let us ignore x, y, z. Carrying x, y, z is too difficult. So what we will do, I'm showing you how to solve quickly. So what we are doing, let us start writing. This is your x, this is your y, this is your z, and this is your value. Any question?
no,
No,
sir.
sir.
And what we are going to do, write only coefficient, because we know x, y, z, right?
Yes,
1,
sir.
1, 1. 1, 1, minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
1, minus 1, and
1.
1.
last 1, minus
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
9, 1, 3, and 5.
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Any question?
No, sir.
Remember, we do this minus this, right?
Yes, sir.
To solve that, or this plus this, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Our question should be like this, here, like this. This all should become 0, and we will get a solution. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So before we try, we will try only 3. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Try. So you people have 1, 1 and 1 and 9, 1, 1 and minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1 and 3. Remember that this is x, y, and z, and this is value, right?
Yes, sir.
Generally, people draw a line, and we call this a matrix. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
This is called a matrix. Okay. And what we are going to do, we are going to draw a line like this. This is the boundary. You see? We need all of others 0. Do you understand? So we will have to create this 0, this 0, this 0. Any question?
No, sir.
Remember what you do, x plus y equal to 2, x minus y equal to minus 1. What we do? We add,
Cancel y.
Sir.
we add, right? We
Yes.
subtract. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what we do? We add, then what happens?
Y will get cancelled.
X plus 0y. You see, we converted into 0. You do exactly that without realizing. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So we will not do this, we will do this. This is easier. And then we will go back to that also. Next. How will you make it 0? If this is R1, row 1, row 2, and row 3. Remember, we want these to be 0, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What if I add R2 and R3? First one will become 2, second one will become 0. Did
Yes,
you
sir.
understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Let's do. Let us rewrite. We are not doing anything. The last one we are changing. Last one we are making R3 is become. What we are doing? Here we will write R2 plus R3 becomes R3. Any question?
No, sir.
No,
What
sir.
did I write?
R2 plus R3 is divided.
Add R2 and R3 and put in R3, right?
Yes, sir.
Do it quickly. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus 1 and minus 1, 0. And we have 4.
4.
Anybody did not understand?
No, sir.
We wanted 1, 0. We got 2. Lovely. Right?
Yes, sir.
Laptop.
Not bad, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. now.
What if we do R1 plus R2 into R2? And we can write it anywhere. We can write in R1 and we can write in R2. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So what will happen? Tell me.
Sir,
Fast. I hope you people are writing. Not writing?
no, sir.
Okay, so don't write, not writing, just watch next one you people are doing. Okay? Just watch. This is 2, this is 2, this is 0, and this is 10. Any question?
No, sir.
You are not supposed to do all 3 together. So write last one just like. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
We already got the solution. You know what? Look at the last one. 2x equal to 4.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
What?
X is 4 by 2.
So
Which is-
any row you can do what? I will do divided by 2. So what will it become? Any question, anybody?
No, sir.
X equal to how much?
2.
2.
So why not do this also divided by 2?
5.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write it better. Always arrange. Do you understand? So we can arrange first half or second half. Doesn't matter, but 1, 1, 1 is 9. 1, 1, 0 is what?
5.
5.
5. And 1, 0, 0 is
2.
2. X equal to how much?
2.
2.
Everybody understands or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Understand.
sir.
Now, if X is 2, what happens? Here, 2 plus Y equal to 5. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Because this equation is what? X plus Y equal to 5
Yes, sir.
implies what?
2 plus y equals 5.
Plus y is equal to 5.
What?
Yes, sir.
Last one. X plus Y plus Z equal to 9 implies 2 plus 3 plus Z equal to 9 and Z equal to 4. Easy?
Yes, sir.
Easy or difficult?
Easy, sir.
Easy, sir.
But we don't do this also. So what we do? We must keep only this. And all other must become 0. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So So let us use our brain, and I believe God has given you a lot of brain, right? This one is fine. 1, 0, 0, and 2. We don't need to do. Or do we?
No, sir.
We want this also 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Not exactly. So what we will do? We will use alternate one. This one. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So this we will keep. This, and this we are keeping. Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now look at, if I do R2 minus R3, what will happen? This will become 0, this will remain 1, this will become 0, and this will become 3. Any questions?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Try
sir.
to do just opposite and you miss it. So always try to deduct something which has more zeros. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So row 3 had more zeros, that is why I deducted. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What if, how will I make most of them 0 in row 1? Any idea? It is very simple, but I want you to tell me. Very simple. R1 minus R2. And see? 0, 0, 1, and 4. What we got?
X is equal to.
Any questions?
No, sir.
No,
You're
sir.
doing exactly the same thing what you do there. Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I am giving you 2x plus 3y plus 4z. X plus y minus z. And 3x plus y minus, 3x minus y plus 2z. I have to calculate because I want you to give some value which is very easy. So I'm calculating. Can you people solve this problem? So let us start solving. You do yourself and I'm doing mine. Don't copy. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you make a mistake, rewrite. And please don't copy me if you want to learn. Honesty is the best policy. I'm not looking at your this one. So do whatever, but be honest to yourself. Any question? Any question?
No, sir.
No,
Can you
sir.
check what you people have written is exactly same as I have written?
Same, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because I also can make mistakes.
Same, sir.
Okay. So do first one and tell me so that we don't make mistake. Which one you are trying to do? Remember, you have to convert some of them into 0. Don't know how? Try to convert them into 0. Whichever way possible. How will you do?
Sir, the diagonal.
How will you do? Just tell me. What is your plan to convert some of them into 0? Any idea? Look hard. There are so many you can convert into 0. Jasmita, tell us.
Sir, R2 minus R2 plus R3.
Yeah, R2 plus R3. Middle one will become 0. So we are going to do R2 plus R3 equal to R3. Any question?
No, sir.
All of you do. Add. Can we do some more? Same operation, do not repeat. Do you understand? Repeat different operation, you can take different equations. Can you people do something? Any idea? There are many ideas you can do, but I just want to see whether you have any idea or not. No idea?
No, sir.
You see, if I multiply R2 4 times, what will happen? It will become -4, right?
Yes, sir.
And then add. So R1 plus 4R2, I will make it to R2. Did you understand?
Yes.
See, 4 and minus 1 is there, third column. Here,
Yes, sir.
I will multiply this by 4. What will happen?
It will become 0. Z will become 0.
Yes or no? Riddhi,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
did you get or not?
Yes, sir.
So please do. Always remember how you are going to do it. Listen, we are multiplying this by 4. So always do this. Put a finger here, multiply it by 4. How much? Put a finger here. Here, at this place.
Sir,
Put
4
a
and
finger
minus.
here. Put a finger here. Multiply it by 4.
Sir,
4.
4 and
And
minus.
add and 2. Did you understand? Do. Literally put your finger there. Put your finger there. One finger. Use. Put your finger. 4 plus 2 is 6. Any question?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Second one. Put your finger there. Multiply by 4 and 3 is 7. Put your finger there. Minus 4 and 4, 0.
0.
Put your finger there. 16 and 16, 32. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Always put your finger. God has given you. I'm atheist. God did not give me. My parents gave me. But you are theist, then God gave you, right? Use it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We could do third also, but we will not do right now. Be content. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Don't be greedy. We got 2 zeros. Can we get one more 0?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How?
Sir, multiply 2 with R3
Okay.
and then R1 minus R3.
Multiply 2 with R3.
Yes, sir.
R1 minus R3. I don't see. R3 becomes 8 and 2. Multiply R1 with 2 and then subtract. That is a good idea. What do you say?
Yes, sir.
Did you get or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, where should we write? The question is, where should we write? Subtract from R3 or from that? Depends. Do you understand? So what I'm going to do is R1 times 2 minus R3. This is what you told?
Yes, sir.
And we are going to write in first row. Any question?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Put a finger on R1. Put a finger on R1. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 4 is 0. Any question?
No, sir.
Put on second. Do it. You are doing Riddhi. Are you not writing?
Sir, I'm ready, sir.
Please do yourself. Don't watch at me. I'm doing it. Don't watch at me. Do it yourself. 3 times 2 is 6, minus 0 is 6. 4 times 2 8, minus 1 is 7. 16 times 2 is 32, minus 13 is 19. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Are we sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us write it first, and then we will talk about. Any question?
No, sir.
I did not do next. Our zeros are not arranged properly. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So generally what happens, we like to put like this. This corner should be values. Right?
Yes, sir.
So right now it is in opposite direction, so I will rearrange. Rearranging is not changing. So this one I can take here, or this one I can take here. Any one you feel is okay.
Sir, 4.
I'm taking 4, 0, 1, 13. Any question?
No, sir.
Please write. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Then I can have 0, 6, 7, and 19. Right? And what is left?
670.
I have to get, remember that this part is not good. Do you see
Yes, sir.
what mess I made? This was wrong. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what should I do?
You should take 6 first.
So that was bad decision. So 670, right?
Yes, sir.
607. Is that okay?